Okay, so today's video will be on Python errors. And so first off, I used REPL.it, which is a online code editor where you can collaborate with other people, just like this says. And yeah, let's get into it. So when you see an error, right, and you're coding and you see an error, you're probably just like, it's like annoying and what's wrong. But if you pay attention to the errors, you're able to see like there's a lot of different errors, and it helps you identify where the error is and like what type of error it is. So let's uncomment the first print statement, and the error here is that there's not a second closing quote here, which would print hi, but let's just do this and let's see what it prints. So the first error that we're going to be talking about is a syntax error, and a syntax error is when the syntax of the code, or like the wording of the code, is wrong. So it says that it says the file, which I'm in main.py, and it says the line, which is it happened on line 1, and it says syntax error, and it has like a caret, and it kind of shows what's wrong. And so to fix this, all we can do is just finish it, and then you can see that it just prints hi. So let's comment this back, and the second error that we're going to be talking about is called a zero division error, and that's when just any number is divided by 0, and in math, any number divided by 0 is undefined, so the Python interpreter doesn't really know what to do with that calculation. So yeah, let's print this, and as you can see, it returns a zero division error, returning also the file and the line, and it explains that it's just you can't divide anything by 0, and we can just change this to like 1, and it will return 4. And the last error that we are going to be talking about is called a name error. This one's a bit trickier. So let's say I had this variable, right? It's called unknown variable equals hi, and then I print it. There's nothing wrong, and it will print hi. But let's say I misspell unknown variable, and I just delete the O, right? And I run it. There's a name error that says that this variable is not defined, which is true because we defined unknown variable, not this unknown variable without the O. So to fix this, we can just see and just add an O. And also, could be the same thing like the other way around. Let's say I forgot the O here, and then, it's the same thing. But also, what you need to think about is when the Python interpreter that scans for errors, it scans from the top of the document down. So if you define a variable after you reference it, like let's say a print statement, then it will still return an error because at that time when it tried to access the print, it didn't know that there was an unknown variable, which will later be defined down here. So this will still return an error, and to fix this, we can just make sure all our variables are defined at the top of our document. And delete this, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.